One more. A, 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 yeah, A, yeah, A, yeah. Pizza tower, we lay as the noise now. Hey, you can play as the noise. It's very cool. I'm gonna go through this intro cause I already like it. I already beat the game, but who cares? Let's play it again cause of the noise. We will go through this again and all the pain and suffering. We can do this, it's soon not the bad. The soup is worse than I like the pizza better, and I'll bring it to the tower with the pizza tower. We get to this tower, yeah, let's go. Plays the noise now, I think. Hold on. Yep, I already got some status. I'm gonna quickly practice the moveset because this moveset freaking sucks. Oh shoot. Oh, I hate this moveset. What do you know anything about this one? Who do you That's funny. Why does it feel like there's old textures? I don't know why I feel like there's old textures. Ooh, I already like this. Contract's banging, bro. No. I just realized, wait. No, I just realized something. No, that actually sucks. Wait, that actually sucks. Oh, shoot. No. Oh, no. I need a S. No, not S. I need a P rank this level. Yes, P rank this. This is like one of my favorite characters at this point. Ooh. Okay. That's so weird. I have a bunch of strats now. What? That sounds like kind of funny. Oh no. I broke my combo. I broke my stupid combo. Yeah. Surprisingly easy that time. That would be harder because I don't know the controls. Hey, you think you can just get away like that? No! That's okay. At least I'll still get a good. At least I still got something good. At least I'll get an S. Oh gosh, that's such a hard thing to do. That's honestly kind of. It's so OP. Hey, that was still a good run, though. That was still a good run. Why do I suck at the game so much? Go into the main menu.